So hi everyone, my name is Suranshad. So you might be in hackathon or building something, you're a builder or something like that. So I think this video will be helpful for you. Okay. So the thing is that many of us are into coding or know coding some bit, but I do not know. The problem is do not know how to build things in a efficient way or not know how to build faster or something. If you are in a hackathon or something, it would be very beneficial for you. So I am actually here to help you with some tools so that you can build faster. Okay. So the first thing I am going to introduce you is Bolt. Its name is bolt.new. Okay, you can search it. So you can be in something like this. Okay, so this is a platform which is powered by AI so that you can build your application from scratch. The thing is that in the free version you will have only like 2 or 3 prompts, but it is very highly efficient. You can build a basic website with all the features like adding things, database, everything. Okay, so pretty much it. You can actually mention the idea you might be signing up. You can type the first idea like a prompt, second updation, third updation, 3 to 4 prompts will be there. I want to build, it will be like according something happen. So I want to build a uh, website for um, like uh, child protection with a SOS button. Like you have any sort of idea, and you tell it like SOS button, child safety tips, child safety tips and everything, anything like that, and you actually hit send. What happens is that Bolt will actually create a project for you. Yeah, it's actually building, so you can wait. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it has. I have only set the prompt. It has actually been thinking, doing something, and at last I got a preview. Like safety guide kits. It's a home page. You can see everything like this. You can click safety tips. Safety tips like here. You can go. There is emergency numbers are here, and the resources are there. And if you need to change something in here, like add additional page, do this feature, do that feature, you can actually mention here the bold so that it can build for you. Okay, the thing is that the mainly if you are a non-techie or something like that, you can enter into the tech world using AI. Okay, so no issues at there. You can actually mention the idea, build it, and above that, think. First your option will be like thinking and implement that idea. Later on you can actually start decoding so that you can improve this into a better thing. Like when you are building from scratch, like building small projects, rather than that you can build something, you can see it with your eye, then you can actually improve that. Okay, so that's it. You can do 3 to 4 prompts here. After that, if you do not have the prompt or it expire or something, I have actually signed it. Okay, if you are signing for the first time, it can actually ask like you will get 1 million tokens if you answer all these questions. You can answer that question, you will get additional prompt. And there is a thing called free tokens. There's a thing like you can actually refer to other friends. There are like you will have different friends, and it will be like 3 to 4 partners. Okay, so you can actually mention it to other person so that when he joins into that, maybe one or two will be coding. So any one of you join, then you will get an additional bonus like that. You can get 200 free tokens for each person joining. Okay, and that's it. And if all the tokens are finished, okay, all the tokens are finished, you cannot still create anything like free tokens, everything is finished, you can actually do this thing called export. If all your id is finished, then okay. If id is not at all okay, then you can do it like download. Okay, so if you click download, it will be actually downloaded and you can actually open the file. Okay, it is actually zip file, so try to extract it. Mostly the projects made by Bolt is actually React white based application. So you'll need something like Node. If you don't know Node, you can actually click like go to thing like Node.js. You can click Node.js and you can actually install it. Okay. After installing it, you can actually see like, yeah, there is actually loading. So this is the thing, you can install the node.js. After that, after you install it, everything is running, you can actually like create in you can actually open a terminal or something. It's actually installing part, just installing the project like npm I it for install. So if you do that, it is pretty much let's say it is starting to install. Yeah, it's pretty much installed. Okay, it will be showing like this. If it says what is npm node found or something, that node is not installed, so you can uh, install the node, close this terminal, reopen the terminal, and you can actually do it. Okay, that's it. And you can actually do like npm run dev. You can actually run the project like it will run a local host. You can actually uh, put it in like run it in the local thing. You can actually show it to friends, you can actually show it to your people. Let it, yeah, that's it. You can see your project is now live in your system. Okay, you can either host it in Vercel or platform like that. You can check it in like you need to put it in GitHub, and then it need to be sent to Vercel. So if you have any options like that, you can do it. You can just look in how to host in Vercel using GitHub in YouTube. You can find it. Okay, and the next problem is that you have finished the prompts. Okay, you do not have any more prompts and you are stuck. Okay, there comes another platform called Cursor. Okay, it's a very simple platform. You can actually sign in. So let me sign in. Okay, I am going to sign with Google. um, I am going to sign in with a normal account. There is pro account, everything like that is there. Okay, so you can actually sign with normal account. Okay, normal Google account. So you can see that there's something, yeah, yeah, there's a free plan, something happening. So yeah, the UI is actually changed, that way I didn't understand. So you can see, if you sign in, you can see something like this, download for Windows user. You can actually download it for Windows. It's actually a platform. And the next thing is that after downloading, you can just install like any other software. And now I have the cursor in my hand. Okay, so if you are signing in the cursor for the first time, in my knowledge, you will actually get the pro for the first week. Okay, so the first week you will get the pro, like first 2 weeks you will get the pro free plan. And the thing is that you can actually open the cursor. It's actually another project I have opened. I'll show you. Okay, open the cursor, new, open, open folder. You can click. Yeah, open folder. uh, you have actually the download button. So so in the project you have something like this. You can select the folder. Okay, this is your project and everything is up and running. You can click control and tilde below the escape key, or you can actually go to terminal, click new tab. Okay, so new terminal you have opened, and here you can click npm run dev. The terminal itself will be working here also. Okay, you can close it. You can run it again. Okay, the same terminal 5173. So you can see something like this. You close the before tab, and okay, so you can see something like, yeah, it's working in your cursor. What's the specialty with cursor is that in here you can do chatting. Okay, the thing is that you will get whole lot of chatting experience, everything like what is difference between cursor and when you're using ChatGPT? The difference is If you need to fix some code in ChatGPT, you need to copy paste all the code that you need to change. And if you have changed anything in manual, you cannot what actually do change it again using you need to again copy paste and give it to the ChatGPT to do the thing. Apart from that, if you have cursor, the thing is that cursor know all your code. You doesn't need to do mention it again. You can tell it like what is this? Your safety is our priority, and SOS help. So you can tell it like in the project, I need to add a new page which is contact us. Here we can get the uh, contact us to contribute. Okay, contribute. They are actually if some people need to contribute to us, like sending messages or and like not contact us, which is feedback. Just a feedback page, anything. Okay, you can build anything using this. If you need, which is feedback page, uh, where I can send message to us. So you can message to us a page like that. If you tell it like them, what they will do is they will actually create it for you. It's actually a different like bolt itself. We actually use bolt to build a template, like what we need to do first you have done, then you give to cursor for additional everything. You can use it for so many prompts. You can get different kinds of you can prompt it for some more time. That's the difference. So it's actually understanding your total code, and it's actually building it for you. Like you need to install React Router. Just click run, okay. Or if they do something like that, I can show you it later also. So it have actually installed. Do not use your terminal also. It's actually installing in that place itself. And now the thing is that they need to install something else. They have actually done something error. So let's accept that also. Now the thing you can see is that they need to run npm run dev. We are actually already running npm run dev. Okay, so we can actually skip that step. And the thing is that they have done everything. Okay, and they are actually telling like everything is done. Okay, so if they are still generating the thing, that means they are generating something else. You can just, if you want to skip any steps, you can skip. Okay, done. It's all done. We can click accept all. Okay, then the thing is that everything is accepted. Now we can go to page and see something. Like you can see a feedback page is here. You can click here. You can see something like this. Pretty much good, right? You can actually create anything like this, create new pages, build anything like feature, or I have simply created a page. Okay, for you to understand, you can do build features, build big things from it. Anything, pretty much anything you can build. And also understand that all these things have limitations. So always try in your logic what is going to happen and tell them that, so that they can implement it very well. Or they'll build something for you, after that you will tell something. It's not like that. When you're prompting also, I have created a small page like feedback. If I want something particular in feedback, I need to specify that also. Tell them that in detail so that they can understand, they can do it for you. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can build anything like this. You can show it to the mentors, you can show it to people. And pretty much the main thing I am actually making the main aim for me to build this video is build the thing faster, so that you can share it to people, share it to friends, everything, and you can get feedbacks. You can get feedbacks and improve the app then and now itself, so that you can build a very better app. And after the hackathon or after the program, you can actually go online and see share to people, and this is my project. Or you might be building something beneficial, so that you can show it to like your college or something like that, and see my project, I want to make it public or something like that. Or you can share it to friends. some projects and all you can actually sell it to people, and there is very much opportunity in this. So I think you might be liking this video. Okay, so bye.